Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Razr 2022, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and tap to network and internet. Then just tap once again to internet section, and to activate Wi-Fi we should click once on the switcher, and after that we can see here all the available networks here. Just let's select one from the networks. We should enter here our password. If you want to see this password to have no sound mistakes, you should click on this checkbox. I'll enter the password out of screen. And after that, tap to connect. Wait a second. And we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click once again on the Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. You can use more than one network just to save the passwords, and after that you can switch between these networks if you want. Also, I have one more way how we can turn on and connect to Wi-Fi our device. You should first open the notification panel shortcuts, and here tap the internet icon. To activate Wi-Fi, you just should click this Wi-Fi switcher, and after that, by the same way, just select the network, enter the password, tap to connect, and that's it. And to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.